Welcome to our channel. Now we will learn 12th standard biobotany chapter 1. Choose the correct answer. Additional questions பார்க்கலாம் ஓகேவா. இது MCQ மாதிரி நம்மளுக்கு வந்து அடிஷ்னல் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நிறைய கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதை பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். ஹவு டு யூ, இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாமுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஹவு டு யூ கால் த ஃபெர்டிலைஸ்டு ஓவியூல், அதாவது ஃபெர்டிலைஸ்டு ஓவியூலில் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா எம்ப்ரியோ. ஓகேவா, இங்கே 4 ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. விச் ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட்? எம்ப்ரியோ. செகண்ட் ஒன் பாருங்கள். விச் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோவிங் இஸ் கன்வெர்டட் இன்டு எண்டோஸ்பெர்ம் ஆஃப்டர் ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன், அதாவது இங்கே என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா விச் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோவிங் இஸ் கன்வெர்டட் ஆகுது எண்டோஸ்பெர்ம் ஆஃப்டர் ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷனுக்கு அப்புறம் செகண்டரி நியூக்ளியஸ். ஆன்சர் இஸ் செகண்டரி நியூக்ளியஸ். ஹூ இனிஷியேட்டட் எம்ப்ரியோ கல்ச்சர், எம்ப்ரியோ கல்ச்சரை யார் இனிஷியேட் பண்ணது அப்படின்னா இ ஹேனிங். Who discovered the pollen tube? G.B. Amici. pollen tube யார் டிஸ்கவர் பண்ணாங்கன்னா G.B. Amici. Name the sac-like structure in the nucellus. nucellusல sac-like structureல இருக்கக்கூடியது embryo sac. Sixth one. New plants formed by asexual reproduction method are morphologically and genetically uniform and called as clones. அதாவது மார்ஃபாலஜிக்கலாகவும் ஜெனட்டிக்கலாகவும் யூனிஃபார்மாக இருக்கிறது எது? ஏசெக்சுவல் ரீப்ரொடக்ஷன் நியூ பிளான்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறதுனா க்ளோன்ஸ் முறையில். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, செக்ஸுவல் ரீப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஹையர் பிளான்ஸ் இன்க்ளூடு ஹவு மெனி ஸ்டேஜஸ்? 3 ஸ்டேஜஸ். ஆண்ட்ரோசியம் இஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் ஆண்ட்ரோசியம் எதனால ஆனது? ஸ்டேமன்ஸ். ஆன் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஆஃப் புரோட்டன்ட்ரி இஸ் 4 ஆப்ஷன் இருக்குது. இதில் புரோட்டன்ட்ரிக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் எது அப்படின்னா ஹீலியாந்தஸ் அண்ட் கிளிரோட்ரெண்ட்ரான். 10th one. Pollen deposits on another flower of same individual plant is called geitonogamy. 11th one. Find out the character which is not suitable for anemophilous plants. Answer, scented flowers. Pollination by slugs and snails is called malacophyly. Who proposed double fertilization? S.G. Navaskin and L. Grignard in 1898. 14. PEN is referred as primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus. Next, an example of environmental parthenocarpy. Pure. An example of environmental parthenocarpy is pure. Who classified parthenocarpy? Nitz, 1963. The funiculus disappears and leaves a scar called hilum. Megaspore arises from nucellus. An example of hercogamy, gloriosa. Pollination by ant is called pollination by ant, எறும்பு சொல்கிறோம், ant is called. Answer is Myrmecoplague. Piston mechanism of pollination is found in Papilionaceae. Next, apospory is seen in Parthenium. Apospory is seen in Parthenium. Vallisneria spiralis is dioecious. In Andersonia digitata pollination is carried out bat. The second gamete migrates to the central cell and fuses with the polar nuclei. Hollow style is also called as open style. Dash discovered the process of syngamy. E. Strasburger. Adventitious buds on roots are seen in Euphormia. Dash is an example for sucker. Chrysanthemum. Tunicated bulb is seen is Allium. Layering is practiced in Jasminum. The days of anther may have polyploid cells. Tapetum. Scientist who reported polyembryony? Answer is Strasburger. Asexual method of reproduction in Aspergillus penicillium. Answer is Conidia. Organisms reproduced by budding, yeast or hydra. Asexual mode of reproduction in Mercansia gemma. Morphologically and genetically similar organisms, clones. Another name for reproductive propagules, diaspores. A plant which produces vegetative or adventitious buds on roots. Melantonia murraya talbergia. A weed popularly known as terror of Bengal. Water hyacinth. அதாவது ஐகோர்னியா கிராசிவிஸ். Plants reproducing tuberous adventitious roots. Answer Dahlia Euphormia batatus. Plant producing a rhizome. Musa paradisiaca, Gingiber officinale and Curcuma longa. Example of comb, Amorphophallus and Colocasia. Example of tuber, Solanum tuberosum. Example of bulb, Allium cepa and Lilium. Example of runner, Centella asiatica. Example of stolon, Mentha and Fragaria. Example of offset, Pistia eichhornia. And example of sucker, Chrysanthemum. Example of bulbils, Dioscorea and agave. Plant producing adventitious buds on leaves, Bryophyllum. Plant producing epiplus buds, Scizilla. Plant whose root cutting can be used for vegetative propagation, Malus. Artificial method of propagation where two different plants are joined together, grafting. Regeneration of a whole plant from single cell or tissues, micropropagation. Property of a single plant cells to form a whole plant, totipotency. Mass of undifferentiated cells formed in tissue culture, callus. Pollen grains held together after formation, pollinium. Example of a plant with pollinium, Calotropis. Example of a plant with compound pollen grains, Drosera. The region of anther wall where dehiscence occurs, Stomium. Layer of anther wall which nourishes the pollen, Tapetum. Substance found in exine but absent in germ spores, Sporophyllene. Science which deals with study of pollen grains, Palynology. Substance of pollen wall which preserves the pollen during fertilization, Sporophyllene. An oily layer found on pollen surface, pollen kit. Name the first cell of male gametophyte of a flowering plant, pollen grain or microspore. In which stage are the pollen liberated from the anther? Two-celled stage. Cavity in the ovary which bears the ovules, locule. Another name for megasporangium in a flowering plant, ovule. Stalk of the ovule, funiculus. Tissue found in the ovule, nucellus. Productive coverings of a ovule, integuments. Female gametophyte in a flowering plant, embryo sac. An ovule which bears horseshoe-shaped nucellus, Amphitropus. Common type of ovule found in majority of the plants, Anatrophus. Number of cells and nuclei found in a embryo sac, 7-celled and 8 nucleated. Pollination which occurs without opening of flowers, Cleistogamy. Maturation of anther and stigma at different times, Dichogamy. Pollination by birds or ornithophyly. Pollination by wind, anemophily. Pollination by animals, zoophily. Pollination by water, hydrophily. Pollination by bats, Chiropterophily. Another name for cross pollination, xenogamy or allogamy. Pollination by insects, entomophily. Pollination by snails, malacophily. Pollination by ants, myrmecophily. Plants owing pollination by liver mechanism, salvia. Example of pollination by trap mechanism, Aristolochia. Example of pollination by pitfall mechanism, Arum. Examination of pollination by clip or translator mechanism, Asclepiaceae. Example of pollination by piston mechanism, Papilionaceae. Name of structure formed by union of stigma and androecium, Gynostegium. Relationship between yucca and moth, obligate mutualism. Name the given for tip of pollen tube, cap block. Structure which guides the pollen tube towards micropyle of ovule, obstrator. Fusion of sperm and egg nucleus, syngamy. Triploid tissue, endosperm, example of coronal resinous communis. Example of fruit with fleshy receptacle, Pyrus malus apple. Remnants of nucellar tissue is said. Perisperm, specialized tissue found in endosperm of cereals which secretes enzyme. Alluring tissue, example of ruminant endosperm, Areca cacio. Type of endosperm is coconut water, free nuclear endosperm. Type of development of digot embryo, onogod and crucifer type. Fertilized ovules, seed coats, testa and tegmen. Embryonic root radicle, embryonic shoot plumule. Seed shaped cotyledon found in maize, scutellum. Type of fruit is maize, caryopsis. Productive sheath covering the radicle, coleorhiza. Productive sheath covering the plumule, coleoptile. Tissue which forms bulk of maize grain, endosperm. Reproduction taking place without fusion of gametes, apomixis. Reproduction taking place by fusion of gametes, ampemixis. Embryo formation without a gametophyte phase, adventive embryony. Occurrence more than one embryo is said, polyembryony. Seedless fruits, parthenocarpic fruits. Formation of embryos without meiosis and syngamy, Agamopsperi. Example of plant showing cleavage, polyembryony, orchids. Formation of embryo sac from nucellar cell after degradation of megaspore, apospore. Thank you to all.